Simplify. 3 root 2 divided by root 10. Solution. Now we have 3 root 2 divided by root 10. We can simplify this by rationalizing. Based on the fact that root 10 is an irrational number. So for us to make the denominator to be rational, we multiply both numerator and denominator by root 10. So by rationalizing, then we have 3 root 2 times root 10 divided by root 10 times root 10. So in this case, what are we having? Do not forget that what you have inside square root multiply what you have inside the square root. Take note of that. Because the coefficient of this root 10 here is like 1. So 3 we only multiply 1, or 1 we only multiply 3. 3 times 1 we have 3. Then inside square root multiply inside square root. Then we are going to have 2 times 10. That will give us root 20. Then divided by root 10 times root 10 will give us 10. Now, this is not the final answer. Because of the fact that root 20, looking at root 20, 20 is a non-perfect square number, but there is a perfect square number inside 20. And the highest perfect square number inside 20 is 4. So in that case, we can split this. We have 3 root 4 times 5 divided by 10. Now splitting this, we have 3 into root 4 into root 5 divided by 10. So in this case, what are we having? We have 3 into square root of 4. What do we have? That is 2. Then root 5 divided by 10. So here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. So the answer is now 3 over 5 root 5. That is the solution to the problem. But we have another method, an approach to solve this also. Let me show you. Now, method 2. Method 2. We have 3 root 10 now. 3 root 2 divided by root 10. We can first split the denominator because root 2 is a factor of root 10. What do I mean? 3 root 2. I can split root 10 into 5 times 2. Though 5 and 2 are non-perfect square number. But my target is to bring out root 2 at the denominator. So I will have 5 times 2. Then this is 3 root 2 divided by, what do we have? Root 5 times root 2. Splitting this. Then root 2 here 1, root 2 here 1. Root 2 has gone. So in this case, I have 3 over root 5. Then root 5, which is the denominator, is still irrational. So I need to make it to be rational. How will I do that? I will multiply root 5 with both numerator and denominator. So I will have root 5, 3 times root 5, then root 5 times root 5. Now, 3 times root 5, I will have 3 root 5. And what is root 5 times root 5? That is 5. So you can see the answer is also 3 over 5 root 5, which is the same thing as the first method. Thank you.